My name's Kwesi Edman and I'm a cellist, and I'm here at the National working on An Octoroon. So what I've just played is the mashup of all of the main themes in the play. It's the first time I've put them all together like this, and they actually follow one on from each other really quite intuitively. For example, Pete's theme. That's an old character. That contrasts with a young boy who's in the play, he's a bit of a rascal. His theme goes like this, and that contrasts with someone like Dora, who's there's a dark moment, and she plays. And this comes with her. Again, I like playing that one, but they're all really, really cellistic to play, so I shouldn't really pick a favourite. The play is set in the round, so there isn't a set to speak of. Musically, I set the scene, because I don't speak throughout the whole thing, but I feel like I have a lot to say in how I play what I play. It's one of my favourite places to play, just because there's so varied here, like playing out here to playing on the Olivier Theatre stage to playing in the Dorfman where we are now. And it's a really nice feeling walking up to this incredible 60s brutalist building to do something so delicate as play a cello inside. It's, the difference between the two is something that I enjoy. Every time I pick this instrument up, something different happens, something unexpected happens, something that I enjoy happens. It's nice to offer something to people that were listening, and that's what I enjoy doing as a musician.